Mummy's pigs are no longer with her. She's probably going to be in heat in a couple of more days and get ready for another litter. So, her babies, and here's the other mother pig right here. And the other pig, the baby pigs are down there. I'll show you them. And here's the big piglets now. All 10 of them. She went over to get some bananas for the pigs. Yeah. Yeah, they're all grown. So these will be gone next month. They're already sold. We got 10 of them. And give them vitamins. There's their water, how they drink water. They just put their snout against that and the water comes out of there. Goes down in there. So, yeah, they're all healthy. So, they're all good.